Zoi Sadowski-Synnott is a New Zealand snowboarder specializing in slopestyle and big air competitions. On 6 February 2022, she won the gold medal in the slopestyle event at the 2022 Winter Olympics. This was New Zealand's first gold medal at the Winter Olympics. In January 2022, she claimed the gold medal in both the slopestyle event and the big air event at the Winter X Games in Aspen, Colorado. She was born in Sydney, Australia, to a New Zealand father, Sean Synnott, and an American mother, Robin Sadowski. Her family moved to Wanaka, New Zealand when she was 6 years old. She has two older brothers, Dylan and Harrison, and two sisters, Liam and Riley. In December 2021, Sadowski-Synnott claimed victory in the women's snowboard slopestyle event at the invite-only Winter Dew Tour in Copper Mountain, Colorado. In January 2022, she finished second in the slopestyle event at the US Grand Prix World Cup event in California, USA. In January 2021, she claimed the silver medal in the slopestyle event and the bronze in the big air at the Winter X Games in Aspen, Colorado. 2 months later, she won the gold medal in the slopestyle at the 2021 FIA Snowboard World Championships. In March 2020, she claimed the gold medal in the slopestyle event at the Winter X Games in Hafjell, Norway. In January 2019, Sadowski-Synnott claimed the gold medal in the slopestyle event and the silver in the big air at the Winter X Games in Aspen, Colorado. A month later, she won the gold medal in the slopestyle at the 2019 FIA Snowboard World Championships. In March 2019, she won the slopestyle event at the US Open in Vail, Colorado, completing the triple crown of the Open title, the X Games Gold, and the World Championship title. She competed for New Zealand at the 2018 Winter Olympics in Pyeongchang, South Korea. She won the bronze medal in the women's big air, becoming only the second New Zealander to win a Winter Olympic medal.